Well, guys, I just got a phone call and I got a little bit of an update. For those of you that don't know, I am running for governor and I'm suing the governor, judges, DCF officers, child protection team officers, attorneys, all kinds of people that have discriminated against me. It's no coincidence. 25 of the 27 people I'm suing are all corrupt females that hate men, leftist females. A lot of them are lesbians and transsexuals and all kinds of crazy loony birds. And I filed official criminal charges with the Osceola County Sheriff's Office against all of them for countless felonies they've been committing. And I actually just got a phone call from a detective that's been assigned the case. Now, the detective says that he has a vacation he's going on next week and he's going to be out of town. So the following week, he wants me to come in and sit down with him and go over everything and take all my evidence and whatnot, including the 800-page federal lawsuit against all these people. Number one, I want my wife arrested for having me falsely arrested, falsely imprisoned, for her admitting to committing perjury to get an injunction and remove my kids from me. She admitted to that in front of the jury and was impeached as a witness at the jury trial, where I got not guilty on all counts. And also, I want her arrested for domestic violence because me and my children have testified it was her hitting me, not me hitting her. This is what gold-digging lying W's do to men, to smear men and try to get alimony and child support and take your kids and all this. It's like a well-known thing in the United States. It's like a machine that women do when there's going to be a divorce. It's disgusting. I want my wife put in prison. I want her arrested. I want felonies put against her. I want her deported, because once she gets a felony, we can have her deported. Then I want the attorneys arrested, criminally charged, that work for Help Now Shelter, domestic violence victim, blah, 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 blah. They're a bunch of corrupt losers is what they are. Jennifer Jane Watson and Sarah Vance, and a whole ball of other attorneys that have lied and committed perjury and defamed me and been involved in a felony conspiracy against me. Betta Colazzo, Emily Calvin, a transsexual lawyer. Betta Colazzo has bright purple hair, is a man-hating lesbian, and on and on and on and on. Anyways, I got a question for you guys. Can the Osceola County Sheriff's Office prosecute a judge? Because according to this detective, he cannot do anything to this judge. He can't even investigate any of the 3 judges I have complaints against. He said that the only people that can do it is the special police behind the JQC. Now, I don't know about any special police. I know about the JQC. I'm suing the executive director of the JQC for not doing his job. The JQC, for those of you that don't know, is the Judicial Qualifications Commission, which is supposed to investigate judges. And they haven't. They've swept it all under the rug because judges mandate judges, police mandate police, and they cover each other's butts. And that's part of my federal lawsuit against the executive director of the JQC. So according to this detective, he has no authority to investigate and prosecute all these felonies that the judge is involved in, including felony oath of office, official misconduct, 3rd-degree felony as well, all kinds of stuff this judge is involved in felonies she's committed. He's telling me that he can't investigate it. The only people that can investigate it is the JQC. Comment below if this is true. I even asked the guy, can you show me some case law on that? Do you have a statute on that? He goes, well, no, you're going to have to do your research yourself. So tell me what you find. When I get home, I'm going to find out. But I seem to think that a law enforcement officer of any kind that took oath can prosecute anybody in the United States, including a judge. What do you think?